Dear friends, today it is a very happy moment for all of us because we completed the treatment for Harris and he came with his wife Saya, and let me just hear from him what was his experience at Kamala Dental. And the full mouth rehabilitation was done by Dr. Sajin Chandran, that's me, and my prosthodontist Dr. Jensi. And we could finish this entire job in a week time, and we are sending him back to his own country in Maldives. Let me hear a few words from him. Harris.
So actually I'm from Maldives. My name is Harris. So I heard looking for the dental
Hospital. Yeah.
dental hospital. So I checked. I came to India to Trivandrum. So I Googled. I found Kamala Dental. I checked the review. So I thought it's a good place to come, and and I came here, and it was very fantastic. The customer, they have a good customer relations, and the doctors and even the machinery they have is fantastic. They have everything. I was like not expecting from them like this. So now I am very happy with I fixed my teeth, everything. I have got my smile back. So I would like to thank Sir and Jensi for get back my smile. Yeah, thank you very much.
Thanks
Hope
a
to
lot.
see you, yeah?
And today is the first day you with your teeth and you are speaking this much good. Then I am 100% sure you will be having a good speech and with a good pronunciation. And when you come back to us after 1 or 2 months, I will see you with a happy smile and better, more clear pronunciation of your language.
Yeah.
And Saya, very happy to receive you here and get him again, and we will be with you. And once again, let me thank Dr. Jensi for giving him a wonderful prosthesis that is very comfortable for him as well as, and his aesthetics is re-established. Thank you.
Thank you.